Good morning, everybody. I'm still feeling a little under the weather, as you can tell with my voice. That is not going to stop me from looking fabulous. We are going to just flat iron our hair today. Just straighten it, make it look presentable to the public eye. They don't need to know that we feel like crap, because we're not gonna look like crap. Straight hair is coming back in, so you might want to bust out your flat iron again, ladies. No, not for curling, for actually flat ironing and straightening your hair. Alright, we're going to do the back. I'm going to just actually wear my hair back in a back style. Away from my face, out of my face. But I just want to make sure the back is all straight. It looks okay. When I wear my hair back. Alright. We have flat iron. Now we take our trusty Freeze and Shine and give us a little Celine Dion French Canadian slicked back but wearing your hair down kind of hair. Frizz it up. There you go. Slicked back. Straight hair in the back. Once your Freeze and Shine sets, it shouldn't move. You could also just run some gel, a little bit of gel right through here. And there you have another style. Another day in the new year. You can bring your hair forward. Alright, there it is. One more day of hair, one more style, and we are doing it. Looking good, not feeling so good. That's okay. Psh, brush it off, right? We're gonna do this 365 days. Rain, unhealthy, it don't matter. Anything happens, I'm gonna be on here doing some hair. Alright? Thank you guys for watching.